Maisha.
Reke njuge kaundu kanini. Wangu ni anjũria atiriri. Njeru. Wangu ni anjũria tondu wende na thoma no umire wa America ri. Ndakiuge kaundu ka maitu.
Actually what I need to do is apologize to my sisters.
Why?
Because I didn't read, but nobody told me really.
Then we should apologize to you.
Yeah, nobody told me. Anyway, I want to apologize to you for letting you down. No, Okasigi picked it up. The only thing I can say, this year. Last year in August, I decided to come home, Kuma America, and that time, Mom was able to speak. Agito Mamiri, the lady who takes care of Mom, akimira itawangu, and then get you inside. Akinjuria wangu, rekengurie. Kamubira to arare agana kamubira. Akinjuria kamubira gakai. Guria na konginyari. Me, I was honest. Gimera mami, gimera, you know. Actually, you are very lucky that you are compatible with it. There are some people who can't. They were lucky. Akinjira no guria nginyari. Gimera he. Oh, guria nginyoka liroka diguru. That's what I said. Honesty. No ni deriro gutundu tumwe utekwaria. Deriro ni karanja kibicho. Akinjari unwa mwera newa, you know, it's like telling her to give up or losing hope. Sometimes you don't have to be honest. Nani gemwera, but I feel good. Tony damwera on ni datwika honest. Akija tumwe mundu gaga. Okay, I got the message. Agisoka akinjuria wangu. Ukite gwaka. Kimwera asa jukite kuiriga mugunda. Akinjira mundu nendaga gwaka kanyumba. Ngimwira I know. Ngimwira thank you. Ngimwira no ngikoguka undu kangidendera gwikai. Jeka kaukana mbere. Akinjira wake nyumba mbere. Rigukorago na musi. Actually, when I heard she died, I was sad. Dirogiri atiri. Riu joka kati kwa my sisters in Nairobi. All my sisters I visit, gasoka kati kwa my mother. Huko Mwea. Now I have no home, actually. Yeah. I said I don't have a home. Huh? You still there? So I figured I don't have a home now. Now I'm homeless. I have to build. Yeah. My brother chairman Yaranjira, I need to do what Mom said. Rinjake. I get it. Okay, that's all I have to say, and thank you for coming. Yeah.
Ni makihoro kage kamwe tafadhali.